Guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this amazing fish taco recipe. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going to start today's recipe off by combining all three seasoning. We have some curry powder, all-purpose seasoning, and blackened seasoning. Just give it a nice little stir. Just make sure everything is, evenly combined. These three seasoning right here, it's just gonna add a nice flavor for a fish taco. All right, and now we're just gonna add a little drizzle of cooking oil, about a tablespoon, and I'm using Mahi Mahi. This is Mahi Mahi. You can use whatever type of fish you want. So if you have codfish or snapper, grouper, whatever it is, whatever you prefer, that's perfectly fine. All right, so now we're just gonna add our seasoning. And the reason why I added the cooking oil, this is gonna allow our seasoning to soak right into the fish. Looking so good, smelling good. Alright guys, so I'll make sure to put all the correct measurements, all the ingredients that I'm using for today's recipe in the description of the video.
At this point, we're just going to add about 1/3 of a cup of cooking oil.
Let's do a little test to see if it's hot. Oh yeah, sizzling. This is a super easy recipe, guys. This recipe should only take about 5 minutes.
All right, guys, so at this point, we're going to make some coleslaw topping and our spicy taco sauce. So I have some coleslaw, cilantro, mayo, habanero pepper, hot sauce, and 1 lemon. At this point, guys, you want to add your habanero pepper and your cilantro along with your coleslaw. Mix all three ingredients together, and then you should be good. Yes, guys. So now it's time to make our spicy taco sauce. You want to add some mayo, some hot sauce, and 1 freshly squeezed lemon. You want to mix everything together until it's nicely blended. All right.
Ooh, it's gonna be so good. Just keep mixing it until it's nice and smooth, fully combined. All right, guys, so now I'm just gonna toast my tortillas. We're gonna toast these for about a minute until they are nicely charred. So after about 45 seconds to about a minute, this is how your tortillas should look like, nicely charred. All right, so they're good to go. All right, guys, so now you want to add your coleslaw. After you add your coleslaw, you want to add your fish. And now I'm just going to add my sauce, my taco sauce on top. A little drizzle. Ooh. Oh yeah. It's looking so good. And now I'm just going to finish it off with some cilantro.